My lovely friends, do you know, from the very childhood, we gave names to each and everything. We called Baba to every person and Mum to every food because of our limited vocabulary. With the passage of time, we start naming to different people differently. For example, uncle, brother, Baba, friend, teacher, doctor. Similarly, we give different names to different food. For example, apple, milk, rice, honey. Oh, yes, you're right. I'm talking about noun, which is one of the basic parts of speech. What is noun? A noun is a naming word. You don't understand? ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. हमने इसको अपनी आसानी के लिए और भी इजी किया है. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. For example, Ali is going to school. Think. Is there any name of a person, place, animal, thing, or an idea? Oh, yes. Ali is the name of a person. So Ali is a noun. Okay. Now, think and find out another noun in the same sentence. Oh, yes. I found another noun in the same sentence. That is the name of a place. That is school. The second example, a cat is under the table. Look at the sentence. Find out another name of a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. Cat and table. Both are nouns. Yes, you're right. Look at the third example. I love his honesty. Wow, surprising. Love and honesty. Both are nouns because we know noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or any idea in your mind or any feeling in your heart. So, why not we do an activity? Find out nouns in the following sentences. The boy is drinking water. Always speak the truth. The dog is under the chair. I live in Karachi. Now I'm giving you a task. Find out 20 nouns. Write them in separate box of person, place, animal, thing, and idea. Share with your friends. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.